Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I had a video request showing striking a ferro rod with a piece of flint, and let's do that. So I'm about to get started here, but I wanted to throw out there that if you have requests for videos and things you want to see, just put them in the comment of any video I post. So you can go and say, I want to see a video on this. Or if you see gear that I'm using and you're curious about, you know, not being a gear reviewer, I don't just review everything I have, but if there's something that I've been using and you want to know more about it, just ask. So, okay, so what I have for tools today is I have just some cotton balls, more companion, 3 pieces of flint, 2 different size ferro rods. Both of them are, well, this one is from firesteel.com. This one is actually came with the more black. I just had it in my possession, and then a piece of fat wood, so I can actually strike and actually hit materials versus just striking for spark. So camera lowered down, and we'll get cracking. Alrighty. Bust out a cotton ball. In fact, we'll break them in half. Because I'm not looking to make a fire out here. I'm just... So here... Alright. I notice this one left some ridges, unless those are previous. Get rid of those, let them burn away. Next cotton ball. Set that guy aside. Yeah, seems to be working just fine. Those. I forgot to check the camera to see if you guys could see. I hope you were able to. And there's this piece here. Ooh, those. That one's leaving a lot of scratches. But it did work. Make some fatwood shavings, and we'll. All right, I'm just doing the shavings up here on the table because it would be more comfortable than doing it on the ground. Like I said, I'm not trying to start a fire, I'm just doing a little demo. It's a little bit windy today, so. You notice on these, this is not really fatwood, so I guess we'll just say feather sticks. A little bit windy today, so should have put my bandana down to catch these, but that should be enough, I hope. Should be good enough. Okay, so I think this one seemed to be the best striker. So maybe because it's sharpest, or I had more, area to hold on to. Well, it's throwing sparks on it, but try the sort of feathers. 'em. They work great on cotton balls. "3,000 degrees spark," they say. "Can make fire," they say. I'll tell you one thing, the flint is not very comfortable to hold on to. Good grief. It's not like I'm not bathing in sparks. Well, the Flint seemed to work pretty well on the ferro rods. It's just, you know, I think this fat wood, I think it's gotten a little too dry, as in there's not much resin left. And then the backside is all white. So it is what it is. It worked great on the cotton balls though. So some of these weren't very comfortable to hold either. And this one gave me more area to hang on to, so I was kind of holding it like this and just striking, but as I was hitting the material, it just wasn't going. You know, that wood was from home, so it's not like it's been exposed to moisture other than when I got out here. I mean, it's raining right now, but that's why I always carry more than one way to make fire. So, as always, I appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to give this a try yourself, head out to the wherever. You know, you can go out and do it in your driveway for all I care. And give it a try and see what you think. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe you'll be able to do better than me. But you know, you don't know unless you come out and try, so give me something to ponder later at home. So as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.